This is the damage left after an earthquake devastated the heavily crowded Kathmandu Valley, killing at least 1,900. The 7.9 magnitude quake struck at midday on Saturday the 25th of April, at a busy time of year for the tourism-reliant nation's trekking and climbing season, with an estimated 300,000 foreign tourists in the country. One woman described what she saw when the earthquake struck.
While watching from the tea stall, I saw the buildings fall and the crumbling of nearby sites. Then the people escaped from the sites and spent the night inside tents and wherever was available. There are still trapped people.
Some buildings in Kathmandu were said to have toppled like houses of cards. Others leaned at precarious angles, and partial collapses exposed living rooms with furniture still in place and belongings stacked on shelves. With the government overwhelmed by the scale of the disaster, India has flown in medical supplies and relief crews, while China sent in a 60-strong emergency team. Nepal's police have put the death toll at 1,910, with 4,625 injured. At least 700 were killed in the capital, a city of about 1 million people, where many homes are old, flimsy and packed close together.